Good morning everyone, this is Angelos Zittis from IronFX bringing you the morning comment for the 3rd of July. RBA remains on hold, AUD does not react. RBA remained on hold at plus 1.5% as widely expected. The accompanying statement had a rather neutral to dovish tone as it cited inflation likely to remain slow for some time, wage growth also to remain slow, and household consumption remaining a source of uncertainty. The statement sounded similar to the June statement, with main issues remaining the same as well as the tone. AUD-USD did not have a major reaction, practically ignoring the release, and we could see the pair being USD driven for some days. AUD-USD dropped yesterday, breaking the 0.7355 support line, now turned to resistance. Technically, the pair seems to be forming a gradual downward trend line, incepted since the 15th of June, with marked lower peaks and lower troughs. In order for us to remove the gradual bearish bias, we would require the pair to clearly break the pre-mentioned downward trend line. Hence, the pair could move in a sideways motion with some bearish tendencies today. Should the bulls take over, we could see the pair breaking 0.7355 resistance line and aim for the 0.7455 resistance level. Should the bears be in charge, we could see the pair breaking 0.7280 support line and aim for the 0.7165 support level. US President Trump indirectly threatens WTO. US President Trump indirectly warned the World Trade Organization that the US would take action if not treated properly. The threat was made just after the EU stated that US tariffs on cars would have an adverse effect on the US car industry and would prompt retaliation measures from the EU. During a meeting with Dutch Prime Minister Rutte, President Trump also mentioned the possibility of EU-US negotiations regarding trade relationships. Trump's willingness to fix World Trade Organization could consist a new level of trade tensions, and should there be further headlines, we could see increased volatility for the greenback. Euro-USD dropped and broke the 116.40 resistance line yesterday, however corrected later on. We could see the pair continue a sideways motion for the next couple of days. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it testing, if not breaking, the 115.50 support line, while should it find extensive buying orders along its path, we could see the pair breaking the 116.40 resistance line and aim for the 117.15 resistance hurdle. Following up on yesterday's morning comment, Bitcoin strengthened further yesterday and traded above the 6,500. Reports cited that Swiss regulators are considering to enable crypto companies to full access for regular banking services, and that could have provided the necessary boost yesterday. Main crypto rivals followed Bitcoin's trend. In today's other economic highlights, in today's European session, we get Turkey's headline CPI rate for June, from Sweden Riksbank's interest rate decision, and Eurozone's producer prices and retail sales growth rates for May. Later on, we get New Zealand's milk auction data, the US factory orders growth rate for May, and last but not least, the US API, weekly crude oil inventories figure. As for speakers, please note that ECB's Peter Pryat speaks today. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. You can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.